So let's find the intersection of two lines in point-slope form. Well, we already did one step. We transformed these into slope-intercept form. Okay, so if you had these two, you can use substitution to solve this. And since we know that y is equal to 3x plus 2, we can substitute that expression into the other equation and we can solve. So let's do that here. 3x plus 2 is equal to negative 2x plus 7. Okay, so let's now continue, and we only have one variable, so we can continue to solve. Let's solve by, let's subtract 3x from both sides. And let's subtract 7 from both sides. And the last step, I should show it, is divide by negative 5. And so x is equal to 1. And we can plug x back into another equation and solve for y. So we know the point of intersection is 1, 5. Let's do the same thing though, and this time we'll do it with two different, with just the letters m and b for a different slope and intercept. So we'll start the same way. We'll substitute y into the other equation and get m sub 1x plus b sub 1 is equal to m sub 2x plus b sub 2. Okay, now let's look at what our next step was. We subtracted this term from both sides, so let's do that. But how do you subtract these two? Well, if you look at what we did last time, we were really just combining like terms. We took the negative 2, we added to negative 3. So we are ready to do that on this side as well. We just take the m sub 2, subtract m sub 1, and we combined like terms. That's how many x terms, that's how many x's we have on that side. These cancel, so we have this. Again, take that slow, just watch what you did in the other step. Now the last thing that we need to do, or the next thing we need to do is, looks like we subtracted 7 from both sides, so let's subtract b2 from both sides. So we have b1 minus b2 Okay, and let's look at the next step that we did. We divided both sides by whatever's in front of the x. Oh look, we have to divide both sides by that whole parentheses. And that's the last step. So x is equal to this divided by that. And that's our answer. That's what we're going to use in our spreadsheet to calculate the x coordinate for the intersection. Then we can calculate the y value as well.